Welcome back. Mapusa police has arrested a couple involved in handbag snatching cases in North Goa's coastal area. 20-year-old boy John Rodrigues and 21-year-old girl Divya have confessed to snatching handbags in 3 cases. Police has recovered high-end mobiles and cameras worth about 2 lakhs from their possession. Police is suspecting that they may be linked with an interstate snatcher gang.
One is by the name of John, and the girl is by the name of Divya. John is from Sirsi, Karnataka, and the girl is from Bombay. They had met over Facebook, and they became friends, and they've been into such like activities. The modus operandi was that they were using a bike, a Pulsar bike, and they were never staying here. They were coming and going. They were the girl used to ride the bike and the boy used to do the snatching. So they were trying to target foreigners. We've recovered property almost value of about 2 lakhs. So like some high-end cameras, some high-end mobile phones, and the recovery is in process. We are hopeful of getting more recoveries.
The Election Commission of India has approved recruitment of 1,159 candidates by the State Electricity Department. These posts have been approved with Election Code of Conduct in force. Authorities say recruitment has been permitted considering gravity of situation and to allow uninterrupted power supply. State electoral officers had initially rejected the proposal, but the Election Commission at New Delhi gave nod considering merit of the application.
पॉवर डिपार्टमेंटाचे आमकां एक रिप्रेजेंटेशन आयिल्लें सर 1159 जे एसिस्टंट लायनमॅन आसात लायन हेल्पर तांचे रिक्रुटमेंटा खातीर इनिशियली आमी ते हें एंटरटेन करूना ताजे उपरांत आमी ते काडून कमिशनाक धाडलें आनी इलेक्शनाच्या दरम्यान अनइंटरप्टेड पावर सप्लाय जाय हाजी जाण विकाय जाले उपरांत कमिशनान ते एप्रूव केलें आनी आमी एप्रुवल तांकां धाडून दिलें ताजेच बरोबर तांणी हायकोर्टानूय अंडरटेकींग दिलें की तांकां ते रिक्रुटमेंट करतले म्हणून इन द मीन टायम ताजे मदीं मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट आयलो म्हणून ह्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी विचारांत घेवन आमी ते इलेक्शन कमिशनाक धाडले उपरांत इलेक्शन कमिशनाचे जेन्ना एप्रुवल जालें ते आमी एप्रुवल तांकां धाडून दिलें ताजे उपरांत प्रोसेस स्टार्ट जालो युजली इलेक्शनाच्या दरम्यान कसलेच अपॉयंटमेंट फ्रेश अपॉयंटमेंट किंवा फ्रेश रिक्रुटमेंट जे आसात ते इलेक्शन कमिशन एप्रूव करिना पूण हातून कन्सिडरींग द ग्रेविटी म्हणजे हांगासर अनइंटरप्टेड पावर सप्लायचो जेन्ना प्रश्न येता ते हाका लागून कदाचित कमिशनान ते एप्रूव केला आसत हय पावर डिपार्टमेंट आयलो की तांकां मेन म्हणजे खांब्याचेर चडपाची जी जबाबदारी आसा हे सगळे 1159 जे पळय रिक्रुटमेंट जातले ते लायटीच्या खांब्याचेर चडपी लोकांचे म्हणटकीर जर वयर कितें नादुरुस्त जालो जाल्यार थंय चडपाक मनीस जाय अशें तांणी हें आमचे मुखार दवरलें आनी तें आमी कमिशनाक कळयलें.
Congress will not encourage anti-party leaders in the party. Sitting MPs and MLAs involved in the anti-party activities will not be given tickets in the future. These are the stern words of GPCC President John Fernandez. He clarified that Congress will motivate and give chance to the young and new faces. John also criticized the BJP for making false promises to go on voters.
Like all other parties, Congress party too claims of winning both the Lok Sabha seats. Pradesh President John Fernandez has warned the party leaders that they will lose the tickets if found involved in the anti-party activity.
Of the situation, we will list those people who did not work and who do not deserve ticket for next assembly or any election. We will name them, not publicly to you. We will prepare a report. Those people who left will not be admitted in the Congress, and we will send this resolution to the High Command. Congress will not promote family Raj. We have not given a ticket to a sitting MP. We have given a ticket to a younger gentleman, and we have shown door to those people who were fighting to maintain family Raj. We have implemented, and I mean business. So let us forget the past. Past is history.
John slammed Parrikar for promising regularization of illegal constructions on the Comunidad land.
If there is illegalities on the government property or in the Comunidad land, we have to rethink. We cannot allow public land to be usurped. More so Comunidad land.
John Fernandez is confident of Congress winning both the Lok Sabha seats.
Both the seats are very confident, not only confident, we are very confident because we call there is a silent wave. The silent wave is combined by the sympathy wave, it is combined by the anti-incumbency wave against the government. Margin in the North Goa, we have assessed about 30,000 margin. In South Goa, we have assessed 40,000 margin.
Reporter Mahesh Khadi with video journalist Devendra Gaunkar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.